Alright guys, welcome back. I'm your host Joseph Igoche. In this session we'll be attending to um, briefing on demand and supply principles, and then currency pairs, types of charts, and then types of orders. Please get a pen, a paper ready, and let's get to work. Now, the principles of demand and supply is applied in forex trading. This means that price increases when there is a high buying power or pressure or demand on a particular currency. Then price decreases when there is a high selling pressure or supply on a particular currency. The market forces and behavior of people in regards to price cause movement along the supply and demand curve. As people demand more of a currency or a product, they will bid up prices to get to what they desire. This entices suppliers and sellers to offer more of the products. Demand and supply of currency trading affects and relates the general economic outlook of a country. When the economy of a country is highly sought for, the value of the currency increases. When the economy of a country is lowly sorted for, the value of the currency increases. That's a briefing for demand and supply principles that is applicable to the trading financial market. Next is how to identify currency pairs, types of chart, types of orders as well. A currency pair is a quotation of two different currencies with the value of one currency being quoted against the other. The first listed currency of a currency pair is called the base currency, and the second currency is called the quote currency. An example is Euro USD. Euro is the base currency, while USD is the quote currency. The quotation Euro USD is equal to 1.2500 means that 1 euro is exchanged for 1.2500 US dollars. In this case, euro is the base currency and USD is the quote currency or counter currency. This means that 1 euro can be exchanged for 1.25 US dollars. Another way of looking at this is that it will cost you $125 to buy 100 euros. Currency pairs compare the value of one currency to another. This base currency or the first one versus the second or the quote currency. Now, it indicates how much of the quote currency is needed to purchase 1 unit of the base currency. And we have different types of quote currency pairs and different countries that is represented or using this currency. Some of the countries are listed. USD, United States uses USD. The nickname for USD is known as BOG. We have Euro that is used by the Eurozones, and then the currency is Euro, and the nickname is known as Fiber. We have JPY, which is Japan, and then the currency is Yen, which the nickname is also Yen. We have GBP, which is Great Britain Pound. Great Britain is a country that uses it, and then the currency is Pound, and the nickname is Cable. We have CHF, Switzerland, from Switzerland, and then the currency is Franc, and the nickname is Swizzy. We have CAD from Canada, and then currency is Dollar. The nickname is Loni. We have AUD from Australia. Currency is Dollar, and the nickname is Aussie. We have NZD from New Zealand, and then the currency is Dollar also, and then the nickname is Kiwi. Above are the most popular currencies which are frequently traded in the forex market. These currencies are called the major currencies. They also have nicknames as seen from the column I just listed. Now, currency pairs are categorized based on their combination with or without the US dollar. When a currency pair is combined with a US dollar is known as a major currency. So, an example of that is, let's say a pair Euro combines with USD, you call it a Euro USD. When USD combines with JPY, you call it USD JPY. GBP combines with USD, you call it GBP USD. And then when United States dollar combines with CHF or Switzerland, you call it USD CHF. Or you can just pick the first alphabet on each of the currency. Let's say EU, UJ, GU, and the likes of them. So when these major currency are paired together with the USD, the pair is known as a major currency pair. Notice from the lists I just made above that the USD appears either on the left or on the right side of the pairing. The pairing of two major currencies that does not involve the USD is known as the major cross or the minor currency pair. An example is Euro JPY, GBP JPY, CAD JPY. Above are examples of major currencies, also known as minor currency pair. Notice that in the pairing they are both major currency, but none is paired with USD, right? Now, exotic pairs, on the other hand, which is the third type of currency pair, are made up of one currency pair with a currency of an emerging economy such as Brazil, Mexico, Hungary, the likes of them. So an example is USD, US dollar, Hungarian forints, and then US dollar Denmark. We can also have US dollar Mexican pesos, right? Those are the examples. And that's it for that. Now, we have types of orders in the market. Types of orders are an offer sent using your broker's trading platform to open or close a transaction if the transactions specified by you are satisfied. Basically, the term order refers to how you will enter or exit a trade. Orders fall into two baskets. We have the pending orders, we have the market orders. Market orders are those orders that just consist two, either buy or you sell. While the pending order, we have a buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, and then sell stop. Market orders are instantly executed against a price that your broker has provided, while pending order are orders to be executed at a later time at the price you specify. Right? Aside that, we have other orders that are used. Orders such as stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop. The stop loss is a function offered by brokers to limit losses in a volatile market, moving in a contrary direction to the initial trade opened, while a take profit is a type of limit order that specifies the exact price at which to close out a particular position in profit. Now, trailing stop is an order that locks in profits as the price moves in your favor, right? It's like a watchdog, follows your price till where you want it to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching through this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, invite family and friends. See you in the next course. Remember to always keep it principled, keep it simple, and keep it profiting. Blessings.